Hey, credit heroes! Did you hook your first lead but don't know what to do next? Well, today I'm going to explain how you can onboard that first customer and turn them into a lead generating machine. So you better stick around.
My name is Daniel Rosen, and welcome to Credit Repair Business Secrets.
In the 20 years since releasing my first credit repair software, I have helped thousands of businesses to build from the ground up. I've experienced many of the same challenges that credit heroes face, and I've learned proven ways to overcome them, to grow, and to succeed. Now, in my experience, most new credit heroes are so focused on hooking their first customer that they don't know what to do when they actually get one. They're so excited to tell the world that they provide credit repair services that they get shocked by the response. They don't realize they don't have a system to turn their leads into happy customers quickly, and they panic. And this is where the art of onboarding comes into the picture. The onboarding process is the first impression that your business makes with a new customer. It sets the tone for the rest of your relationship. It gives you the opportunity to prove your value, to build trust, and to turn your lead into a magnet for many more credit repair customers. Onboarding systems can showcase products and services. They can teach new customers how to use them. They can upsell, make special offers, and encourage customers to share positive reviews and to create testimonials. But best of all, a well-made onboarding system, it can be automated, saving you time and money so that you can focus on the more important parts of your business. You just need to learn how to build them. Here's how this relates to us. The keys to building a successful credit repair onboarding process are actually really simple. You need to know who your customer is, their goals, and their challenges that they're facing, and you need to personalize the experience so that you can stand out and connect in a meaningful way. And you need to show them that you are making progress with early results. But most importantly, the key to a successful onboarding process is making it as quick and hassle-free for your customers as possible. And you do this by collecting information, the customer's credit history, their credit report, credit score, and any other information that they provide. You create a plan, a personalized strategy that outlines the steps that you're going to take to dispute negative items and improve their credit. You dispute low-hanging fruit. Check out my episode series on how you can remove negative items from credit reports. And you monitor progress and then share early results. And that's it. The exact steps for how to build an onboarding process usually depend on the size of your credit repair company. If you're just starting, you're probably doing most of the onboarding process in person. And that's fine. But if you want a faster and more efficient system and you really want to grow your business, the trick is to do as much as you can online using credit repair software. Incorporating credit repair software into an online onboarding system, it frees up your time and your energy by allowing your customers to complete most of the steps for you without you even being involved. Here's the thing to remember. Credit Repair Cloud makes the onboarding process a breeze. It allows you to add new leads, import their credit reports, run very professional-looking credit audits, create client profiles, automate personalized messages, and sign agreements, all before you even make them an official client. Here's why this is important. No matter which software you use, having a smooth and straightforward onboarding process, it helps your new clients feel like they're already on the path to reaching their goals. The faster you can get the lead through the paperwork and onto the dispute process, the quicker you can dispute the low-hanging fruit negative items and get them actual results fast. Even single-digit score increases goes a very long way to convince your new client that your methods work and that they've hired the right person. Now, I'm biased, but the onboarding process in Credit Repair Cloud is specifically designed to help take your new leads and get them ready for the dispute process as fast as possible. It only takes a few steps. Step 1, get a Credit Repair Cloud account, and you can sign up for a free trial right on our website. Step 2, create a company profile. After you sign up for an account, you fill out your company profile, providing basic information about your business like your name, address, and phone number. And you need to do this because it fills in all the parts that a client sees. Step 3, add a new client. You just click the button that says Add New Client. Then you fill in their basic information, set their status as lead or client, and that automatically creates their client profile page that includes their dispute status chart. And this is where Credit Repair Cloud really shines. After you sign up the client, they will receive an email that allows them to continue the onboarding process on their own, or you can walk them through it. They choose their username and password, they're shown a digital agreement that spells out your services, and any special offers or deals that you want to include. Then they're welcomed into their client portal, where they can see their credit scores, status updates, new deletions, etc. Next, they'll be invited to sign up for credit monitoring for $1 and import their credit reports if you haven't done that already. Step 4, import credit reports. This is really easy because your client's credit monitoring account is already connected to Credit Repair Cloud. So importing it just takes one click, and it shows you everything going on in the credit report, and it highlights anything that's going wrong. Step 5, perform a consultation. Quickly review their credit reports to determine whether the client is a good fit for your services. Step 6, run a credit audit. Now this is really cool. Credit Repair Cloud can do this in one click. And it's a lot like when you take your car to the dealership and then they print out a report all about your car and all the ways that they can fix it. You review this credit audit with your client and explain the dispute process. And you talk about each piece of inaccurate information, and you ask the client to weigh in on what they would like to dispute. Step 7, create a plan. Based on what you learned during the credit audit, outline the specific steps of your dispute strategy. And sharing this plan with your client, it helps to keep them informed, it establishes expectations, and it gets them excited because they're already making progress. Step 8, dispute low-hanging fruit. In my experience, it's important to focus your early efforts on removing simple and obvious errors. Showing results as soon as possible will build trust and buy you time for the longer, more complicated disputes. At this point, your client is signed in, signed up, and they've begun the journey back to good credit. The onboarding is officially complete, they're happy, and you're hard at work at getting them results. But there's still one more bonus onboarding stage that can turn your client into a lead-generating machine. Here's what you need to know. After you've onboarded your lead and they're officially your client, you're working for them, but they can also work for you. The trick is to make the final step of your onboarding process a request to them to share results and positive reviews, plus testimonials and referrals. You can even make a special offer for every referral that they send your way. No matter how you do it, make your final step as simple as possible for your new client. Set up free business listings on Google, Yelp, Trustpilot, and other business review sites. And share these links with your new client at the end of the onboarding process, and then share them again when you get your first wins and throughout your relationship. Next, start to use all the positive reviews and testimonials in your marketing materials and on your site, and be sure to follow up with your referrals quickly and convert them into new clients. Lather, rinse, and repeat the process, and watch that first client start to grow your credit repair business. This is how the most successful people in our industry grew their business, and as you can see, these are pretty simple concepts. The most important part is being consistent with this every single time. That consistency is what will grow your business into a huge success. If you want 6 months of Credit Repair Cloud software for free, plus access to advanced disputing courses and additional business courses, sign up for our masterclass. You can learn more about that at creditrepaircloud.com/free training. Here's my final point. Landing your first client is a big deal, and it's definitely cause for celebration. But remember, it's also the time to get serious, to make a great first impression, and to turn that client into a lead-generating machine. Having a well-designed onboarding process with integrated software like Credit Repair Cloud is more than just an option, it's a must. It allows you to handle more leads, grow your business faster, and change more lives. And I'll end by saying, if you want to learn more cool ways to speed up the growth of your business, check out my episode on credit repair automations. And if you'd like to get certified in disputing and gain confidence and grow your very own credit repair business, check out our Credit Hero Challenge. Doors are closing soon, so sign up right now at creditherochallenge.com and keep changing lives.